Daniel Priestley's 24 Assets is a strategic guide for entrepreneurs who want to build a scalable business with real value. Businesses are built to provide value to their customers, but also the value of the business is based on the assets that it has, okay? The more valuable the business, the higher the profits and the more valuable the business is. The book outlines 24 key assets that transform a business from being dependent on its owner into a self-sustaining, high-value enterprise. Okay, when we look at most businesses, when they start out, the business owner is the business. And if it continues to remain the business, if the business owner passes away, the business has no value. So when you look at structuring a business, we have sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship, if you're running a sole proprietor, even though you might hire employees or 1099 other individuals who work for you, you are the business, meaning the value of the business is based on you and your services. So if you become disabled, die, the business goes away. And that is what we want to protect against. We want to be able to build a business. I mean, it might start out as a sole proprietorship, but you have to be able to incorporate and structure it such that the business is a body around it, and layers of protection around it. And also, you can incorporate different types of assets that continue on and provide value. If you become disabled, someone else can run the business and the income still comes into your family. If you pass away, the business continues, and you'll still receive revenue from it because there are people in place that actually can still run the business, and because you're just receiving an income stream from it. And the mistake that most business owners make is that they maintain the business. They're the business, and the value goes away. If the market declines, if you die, become disabled, there is no continuation of that business, and there is no income coming into your family. I mean, it doesn't make sense for you to be the business. You have to move from being the business to being an investor in your business. And some of the programs that we have, you check out some of the resources that we have for you on building a business and structuring it and so forth, will be quite helpful to you. And my goal is to be able to help you do that, because over the course of the last 30 years, I've worked with business owners, whether it be real estate investment businesses or traditional businesses or doctors and so forth, is that you need to be able to have a business continuation plan. And that starts with the assets that you have and the business structure that you build. Take care. Bye.